Hey guys, this is Dr. Hub. In case you haven't subscribed, please do subscribe for updates. Let's look at the forest plot. So what is meant by forest plot? A forest plot is used to present the results of the meta-analysis. Next, the interpretation is there are some rectangles which are used. The rectangles they represent a single studies, and the size of the rectangle is proportional to the sample size. The size of the rectangle is proportional to the sample size. Next is we have something known as a horizontal line. Horizontal line on either line, it is nothing but the confidence interval. So there's a confidence interval. The longer the lines, the wider is the confidence interval. Then comes the vertical solid line. So vertical solid line is a line of no effect which represents the odd ratio of the relative risk. Odd ratio of the relative risk. If it is odds ratio, the vertical line would be at 1. If it is odds, the vertical line would be 1, and in case of no difference between the intervention and the placebo, then you move on to a high risk ratio of 1. Now the location of the result. The location of the result. The location of the result is whether it favors the intervention. Whether it favors the intervention of the result. Whether it favors the intervention of the result, there is a static drug or not. So next is diamond. The diamond shows the overall pooled result. Overall pooled result where all the individual studies are combined together and averaged. So then comes the lateral corners. Lateral corners of the diamond represent the confidence interval. And if these corners do not cross, if these corners do not cross the line of no effect, then there is an overall statistical significant effect. And if the diamond touches the vertical line, in case it touches the vertical line, the overall result is not statistically, the overall result is not statistically significant. Next is the vertical dashed line. The vertical dashed line. Vertical dashed line represents the overall pooled estimate, and it represents the meta-analyzed measures of the effect. Results of the effect. To learn and grow daily like this, please do subscribe.